start again, we ringing the bell. When I come, I be doing it and doing it well.